a bed.
All right, hold on. You ready? Okay. It was bedtime, so 5 little monkeys took a bath. 5 little monkeys put on their pajamas, and 5 little monkeys brushed their teeth. 5 little monkeys said goodnight to their mama. Then 5 little monkeys jumped on the bed.
Why?
One fell off and bumped his head.
Well, doctor, I'm a bed.
Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said,
I get a bed. No more. This I see a bed.
no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So 4 little monkeys jumped on the bed.
Bed.
One fell off and bumped his head.
Mama, doctor said no more monkeys.
No more monkeys jumping on the bed. So 3 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped her.
And
Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said,
no, Mama. Doctor said no more monkeys. Mommy.
So 2 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Mama. Doctor said no more monkeys jump a bed.
Very good, Eitan. So 1 little monkey jumped on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said,
Mommy.
What did the doctor say?
No more monkeys. Doctor said no more monkeys. A bed.
Very good. So 5 little monkeys fell fast asleep. Thank goodness, said the mama. Now I can go to bed. Look, what's the mama doing?
A bed.
She's jumping on the bed. The end.
Mommy.